Okay, so Citroen relay or jumper 2019 2.2 blue HDI. We're doing an AdBlue delete. AdBlue timer had run out, so there was no starting. And obviously before you do the delete, you need to reset everything, get rid of the timer. I found out how to do it on auto. It might be common knowledge, but it might not be. So it's, as you can see, there's no warning on the dash anymore, and the van starts. Before it said no engine start after refueling or something like that. So what I did, auto 508, go into the service section, go into DPF SCR, find Citroen, do automatic selection. You could do manual selection, it's just automatic finds it fine. Takes a few seconds though. Oh wow. That is cool. Anyway, right, so it's found the VIN, decode the VIN. Here you go. Jumper 3, Euro 5, Euro 6, code D. Okay. And then you go into hot functions. And then all I did was, there's loads of different AdBlue resets, etc. I just went into AdBlue / DEF injector replacement. Ignition on, engine not running, press OK. And then it says processing. It will say switch ignition off for I think it's 600 seconds or something like that. Once it's done, it'll tell you to turn the ignition on, switch the ignition on, and AdBlue warnings have all gone. So now I can continue with doing the AdBlue delete. Yeah, so the countdown's gone, which is perfect.